Hi everyone, I hope you're well. Excuse me, I'm a bit croaky, but I'm going to soldier on. I've got a super simple tie for you today. A lovely, easy damsel pattern. Something that's worked for me really well over a number of years, to be honest. So let me show you how it's done. In the vise, I have a Togens wet fly in size 10. I tie this in 10s, 12s and 14s. As you can see, I already have some red thread on, and I'll tell you why it's red in a minute. The rib is, excuse me, chartreuse wire. The tail and the back of the fly is going to be olive marabou, and the body is going to be Togens prism dubbing in light olive. Lovely stuff, this. So, as you can see, I've already caught the thread on. And what we need to do now is take a relatively modest pinch of marabou. For this fly, it's a slim profile. It's not designed to attract the trout's attention through aggression. And what we're going to do, which you might know is different from me normally, is tie the marabou on at the back. So we're going to measure the tail about a hook shank in length, maybe a bit more if you want to. And we're just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 turns just to catch it in. And then with this marabou, we're going to leave it there. This is going over the top as like a shellback really, but a marabou shellback. We're then going to catch the ribbon, which is the wire. So 2 or 3 wraps of that. Make sure it goes all the way up the body, and then we're just going to catch that down because I don't want that pulling loose. So all the way up, all the way back. And you might be thinking, Phil, you're mental. You've got an olive fly, you've got red thread, it's showing at the back. But we're going to cover that thread with a bit of dubbing. So we're going to dub on some of this prism dub. Actually really easy to dub onto the thread. And then we're going to take that dubbing, so we lick our fingers, get that out of the way, and we're just going to do a little bit of a dubbing noodle around that red thread just to hide it. There we go. And then we're going to lift up the marabou and we're going to create the body. Now, the body is within your gift. I like quite a slim profile, so my dubbing noodle stays tight. You can have a fatter one if you want. It's up to you. You can create a bit of a carrot shape if you want. Again, your fly, you need to have confidence fishing it. But what you want to do is just create a nice body. There we go. We're going to have a slightly bulbous thorax. And then catch that off. We're then going to bring the marabou over the top. Excuse my hands. 1, 2. But we're not going to snip that off yet because we're now going to use the wire to rib the fly. And we just want to be able, because thread tension, wire tension is going to try and bring that shellback type thing, the marabou, over the top towards me. And so what we want to do is we just want to be able to manipulate that back into the right place. Here we go. We can helicopter the wire off, keeping thread tension all the time. You're then going to pull everything back just to secure it down and snip off the marabou. If you're brave enough, you can break it. I'm happily snipping it, if I'm honest. If you're going to snip it, make sure you get all of it. There we go. Right, and now we're going to build up a head. And the reason I've got red thread here is quite simple. I tie this in weighted and unweighted, and my unweighted flies have a red head, my weighted flies have a black head, and it's just so that I know when I'm looking at the box on the bank which is which. 3-turn whip finish. Get rid of the tag end. Get rid of that. And that's it. Super simple. Really skinny. A little bit of movement on the back, as you can see. It's got this little almost Mohawk style haircut. You can give it a brush to pull the fibres out that you've trapped down. I like to give the body a little bit of a brush, not too much. And then that's it. When it's in the water, that is absolutely lethal. As I said, super simple, super quick, very, very, very effective. 10s, 12s and 14s. Look me up on Instagram, look me up via Togens, let me know how you get on. And until next time, tight lines.